Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. Chapter which we are discussing is some basic concepts of chemistry. In this chapter, today we shall take up the concept like percentage composition and empirical and molecular formula. First, let us discuss about percentage composition. What is this percentage composition? How this is calculated? Percentage composition of any element is given as mass of an element in compound, in a given compound, into 100 divided by molar mass of compound. Molar mass of compound. This is how we can calculate percentage composition of an element. Mass of an element in a given compound divided by molar mass of a compound into 100 is a percentage composition. Why percentage composition is important? Whenever any new compounds are discovered or whenever we get any compounds, in that compound, how many elements are present, in what proportion or in what mass they are present, that is indicated by percentage composition. One of the application of the percentage composition is to check purity of the substance. Percentage composition is very important. This is one of the application of the percentage composition. It indicates purity of the given substance or compound extracted. Now let's take up few problems related to calculation of percentage composition. This percentage composition helps us to derive the empirical and molecular formula of any compound. Let's take up problems related to percentage composition. First one, calculate percentage composition of hydrogen and oxygen in water. What is water? Formula is H2O. Water formula is H2O. Now we have to calculate percentage composition of element hydrogen and oxygen in water. So first let us look at the formula first. Mass of an element in a given compound into 100 divided by molar mass of the compound. So we must know molar mass of the compound. First let us calculate molar mass of the compound. That is molar mass of water. How to calculate? Number of atoms of hydrogen are 2. So 2 into atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008. 2 into 1.008 plus number of oxygen atoms are 1. Its atomic mass is 16. So it is 2.016 plus 16, that is 18.016 gram. This is molar mass of water. Now we can calculate percentage of hydrogen and percentage of oxygen after knowing the molar mass. Percentage of hydrogen is equal to mass of hydrogen in a compound into 100 divided by molar mass. How much is hydrogen? 2 into 1.008. This is mass of hydrogen. There are 2 atoms of hydrogen. One atom of hydrogen has atomic mass 1.008 into 100 divided by 18.016. Mass of an element in a given compound into 100 divided by molar mass. This you have to solve now. So it is actually 2.016 gram, that is 2 into 1.008 into 100 divided by 18.016, that is 11.19. You need not write percentage because it is understood that percentage of hydrogen. Now percentage of oxygen. Percentage of oxygen. It is mass of oxygen in given compound into 100 divided by molar mass. Mass of oxygen is 16 into 100 divided by molar mass of water, that is 18.016. So that is 16 into 100 divided by 18.016, that is equal to 88.809. This is percentage of oxygen. When you know there are only 2 elements, once you know the percentage of one element, for another element you can find the percentage easily. How? Say for example it is like this. Percentage of oxygen is equal to 100 minus percentage of hydrogen. Percentage of oxygen is therefore equal to 100 minus 11.19. So this also if you do, you will get almost equal to 88.809. That is 100 minus 11.19. It's equal to 88.9. See, it is almost equal to this. So you can calculate it this way. Percentage of oxygen you can calculate by this method, or you can do 100 minus percentage of hydrogen. That also will give you percentage of oxygen. So this is how you can calculate percentage composition of elements in the given compound. Let's take up one more problem related to the percentage composition, that is find the percentage composition of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in ethanol. So problem second one, find the percentage compositions of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen in ethanol. What is ethanol? It is having the molecular formula C2H5OH. To find the percentage, first find molar mass of ethanol. So molar mass of ethanol is equal to, number of carbon atoms are 2, so 2 into 12 plus total number of hydrogen atoms are 6, 5 and 1 6 into 1.008 plus there is one oxygen whose atomic mass is 16, hence 1 into 16. So this is 6 into 1.008, that is 6.048 plus 1 into 16 is 16, 2 into 12 is 24. Add all these. So that is plus 24 plus 16, you will get 46.048 grams as molar mass of ethanol. Now find percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. First let us find percentage of carbon. It is mass of carbon into 100 divided by molar mass. Mass of carbon is how much? 2 into 12, that is 24. So it is 24 into 100 divided by 46.048. This gives you percentage of carbon, that is 24 into 100 divided by 46.048, that is 52.119. This is percentage of carbon. Next let us find percentage of hydrogen. Hydrogen, how much is there? 6 into 1.008, that's nothing but 6.048. So 6.048, which is mass of element, into 100 divided by molar mass of the compound, that is 46.048. So 6.048 into 100 divided by 46.048, that gives you answer as 13.13. This is percentage of hydrogen. Next find percentage of oxygen. How will you calculate? Mass of oxygen divided by the molar mass into 100, that is 16 into 100 divided by 46.048, that is 16 divided by 46.048. Whatever answer you get, multiply that by 100. The answer finally you will get is 34.74. So this is how you can calculate percentage of any element for the given compound. To do this, first you have to find molar mass, then calculate percentage of the given elements.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.